Okay, we got this energy savings kit from Virginia Natural Gas. Okay, let's open and see what's inside. Okay, it has a energy efficient shower head, aerator for your kitchen faucet, then a timer, shower timer, so that you don't bath very long hour, then a aerator for your sink faucet, and insulation for your pipe. Yeah, there's one more. There's a hot water gauge. It's a card to check the temperature of your hot water setting, your water heater, to see how what's the temperature you have set, like is it too high or too low. You can check with this card. So yeah, this is the kit. To get this kit, you just need to go to the website, which is virginianaturalgas.com/energy efficiency, and do an energy audit. It's like into the details of your appliances at home, and they will send you a kit. You can opt for what kind of kit you want, whether you want a water saving kit or a window insulation kit. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe for more videos.